come to life. Same soul, different realms. There isn't many holes. Logged in with a borrowed name, memory veiled, but still the same. Spawned on Earth, a learning zone, Tatari world, but not alone. Quests are choice, cost and care, hidden stats you always wear. No map that shows the final view, just truth revealed by what you do. No dice rules, no coded fate. Every gate responds to wait. What you love, what you refuse. Every realm reflects your truth. This is life, the MMORPG, high and lower realms eternally. Same soul moves through clarity. You choose the realm you're meant to see. Not judged by words or what you say, but how you play the love and way. When the level ends, one truth stays free. You choose your realm, you choose your destiny. Lower realms teach patience first. Heal the pride, quench the thirst. Hard mode worlds refine the will. Every weakness teaching skill. Higher realms don't mean escape, they mean heavier trust and weight. More like giving, more required. Greater love, the only fire. No final boss, no end screen near. Only deeper purpose here. Progress measured soul to soul. Not the speed, but self-control. This is life, the MMORPG, already living eternity. Every realm runs lawfully, alignment shapes reality. Fail a quest, you're not erased, just sent to learn at proper pace. When the veil lifts, you'll finally see. You choose your realm, you choose who you'll be. Same game, running worlds unending. Not about winning, about tending. Souls grow strong by what they give. That's the only way to live. Need the rules before you play. Need the truth to find the way. Every quest, each moral test was written down to guide the rest. And your words, both sharp and kind, left us cold for heart and mind. If you're lost and can't perceive, read the scriptures, then believe. This is life, the MMORPG, scripted love and agency. Not forced paths, but choices free. Truth revealed progressively. Higher realms, unlocked or barred, they open when the heart's aligned. game was never hidden. You just had to read the guide.